If I lost everything today and had to start over with just $10,000, this is exactly what I would do. Not theory, not hype, a real step-by-step plan to rebuild wealth from scratch. Because most people don't stay broke from lack of effort. They stay broke because they don't have a clear plan. So let's fix that. First, I would not invest the full $10,000 immediately. This is where most people mess up. They either invest everything too fast or they sit on cash doing nothing. Both are mistakes. I'd split the $10,000 into 3 parts. A small safety buffer, an investment engine, and a growth lever. Let's break that down. All right, step 1, keep around $1,000 to $2,000 in cash. Not for spending, not for lifestyle. This is purely a buffer. Because if something goes wrong, you don't want to pull money out of your investments at the worst possible time. This protects your plan. Now step 2, this is where most of the money goes. Around $6,000 to $7,000 goes into investments. And I keep it very simple, low-cost index funds, no stock picking, no gambling, no trying to outsmart the market, because the goal at this stage is not to get rich overnight, it's to build a strong, consistent base, something that compounds over time, something that grows whether you're watching it or not, because long-term wealth is built through consistency, not excitement. And here's the key. I wouldn't invest it all in one day. I'd spread it out over a few months. Why? Because timing the market is almost impossible, but consistency beats timing. Now here's where things get interesting. Step 3, the remaining $2,000 to $3,000 becomes your growth lever. This is the part most people ignore. They put everything into safe investments and then wonder why progress feels slow. This money is different. This is where you invest in yourself. Skills, income, opportunities, because the fastest way to grow from $10,000 is not just investing, it's increasing your earning power. This could be learning a high-income skill, starting a small side business, investing in tools that increase your income. Because if you can turn your income from $60,000 to $100,000, that changes everything. Way more than trying to squeeze an extra 2% return from investments. Now here's the mistake most people make at this stage. They mix everything together, they dip into investments, they spend the buffer, they don't separate the plan, and over time, everything falls apart. So keep it simple. 3 buckets: buffer, investments, growth. Each has a job, each has a purpose. Now let's talk about expectations, because this is where people quit. $10,000 is not going to make you rich overnight, but it can put you on a completely different trajectory. If you follow this plan consistently, your investments grow, your income increases, and over time, those 2 things start feeding each other. That's how wealth is built, not from one big move, but from a system that keeps working. Now here's the uncomfortable truth. Most people already know some version of this, but they don't follow through, they overcomplicate things, they chase quick wins, they get distracted, and they reset over and over again. If you want different results, you need a different approach. Simple, consistent, intentional. So if I had $10,000 today, this is exactly what I would do. Build a buffer, invest consistently, and focus aggressively on increasing income. Do that for the next few years, and your financial life will look completely different. And if you want the next step, watch my video on why most people stay broke even with a good salary, because that's where this plan either works or falls apart. And if you want more strategies like this, subscribe. This is exactly what we do here.